In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brighten video in DaVinci Resolve. If your footage looks a little too dark and you want to make it clearer, cleaner, and easier to watch, this is a very quick adjustment you can make right inside DaVinci Resolve. The good news is that you do not need any advanced color grading knowledge to do this. We're just going to use a simple correction in the color page to raise the brightness of your clip. To begin, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure the clip you want to brighten is selected. Then go to the Color section by clicking Color at the bottom of the screen. This is where DaVinci Resolve gives you access to color correction tools, including the primary color wheels that we'll be using here. Once you're in the color page, look for the Primary Color Wheels panel. These controls are designed to affect different tonal areas of your image. For this adjustment, focus on lift and gamma. Lift mainly influences the darker parts of the image, while gamma affects the midtones, which is often where a lot of the visible detail in a shot lives. To brighten your video, click and drag the lift control slightly to the right. As you do this, watch your image carefully and notice how the darker areas begin to open up. Next, click and drag the gamma control to the right as well. This will brighten the midtones and can help the overall image feel more balanced and visible. Adjust each of these depending on how bright you want the video to be. It's best to make small changes rather than pushing the controls too far all at once. If you overdo it, the footage can start to look washed out or lose contrast, so take a moment to watch the preview as you go and stop when the image looks natural. A helpful tip is to pay attention to faces, backgrounds, and shadow areas while adjusting. If the subject becomes easier to see and the clip looks more polished without appearing overly bright, you're probably in a good range. And that's it. By going to the color page and increasing the lift and gamma in the primary color wheels, you can quickly brighten dark footage in DaVinci Resolve. It's a simple technique, but it can make a big difference in how professional and watchable your video looks.